Media Cloud is a revolutionary plugin for WordPress that will supercharge the performance of your website and radically transform the way that you work with media and with WordPress. Media Cloud works by moving your images, media, and other files from your WordPress server to online cloud storage such as Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, DigitalOcean Spaces, and many others. You can then serve that media through a CDN like Amazon CloudFront, Cloudflare, Fastly, and others. Beyond cloud storage, Media Cloud also has deep integration with Imagix, the leading real-time image manipulation and optimization CDN. Media Cloud is the first plugin for WordPress to bring the full benefit of what Imagix offers, simplifying your development efforts, reducing your site's page load times, and opening up creative options that simply haven't existed until now. Media Cloud also provides advanced image editing tools that provide advanced cropping options, effects, filters, watermarking, and more. You can also integrate with a computer vision provider such as Amazon Rekognition or Google Cloud Vision to automatically tag and categorize images, filter for content moderation, and for detecting faces for automatic intelligent image cropping. Media Cloud can also push your theme assets such as CSS or JavaScript to cloud storage and then serve those assets through a CDN, another major performance boost. Media Cloud also has deep integration with WooCommerce, easy digital downloads, next-gen galleries, Smart Slider, Master Slider, and other popular WordPress plugins. Media Cloud will boost your site performance, improving your Google ranking and page speed scores. Your WooCommerce stores will load faster, your easy digital downloads will be more secure, and normal WordPress headaches like changing themes, design changes, moving servers to different hosting providers, all of these will become non-issues when you use Media Cloud with WordPress. So if you're looking to turbocharge your website's performance, dramatically improve its reliability, to simplify theme development, or if you just want to avoid the normal headaches intrinsic to dealing with media in WordPress, Media Cloud has the solution for you. Visit us at mediacloud.press for more information.